The IDPL School Space Club was a group of enthusiasts that met weekly to learn more about our place in the universe. 640 years ago, when the Flemish geographer Mercator designed his map of the world, he deliberately distorted the appearance of Europe, and that world atlas is still used widely in schools today, instead of this more accurate version. Similarly, descriptions of the solar system rarely take into account that in the split second of the Big Bang, two almighty powers were created from which we can never escape: time and gravity. The International Space Station is regularly described as flying around the world, when in fact, because of the pull of gravity, it is actually falling in an orbit around the world. In 1608, when Galileo invented the astronomical telescope, it was generally understood that we all lived on a great big ball turning at 1,000 miles an hour, and it was assumed that this giant ball was the centre of the universe, and that the sun, planets, and stars travelled around it. His telescope, however, finally confirmed that the Earth, along with the other planets, went around the sun. Even today, it is assumed that space rockets travel directly to their destination in a straight line, but actually, they always travel in a series of orbits due to the pull of gravity. In the Space Club, we learn about the rockets used to send astronauts to the space station, but since the death of 17 American astronauts in the shuttle, all journeys have been made in the Russian Soyuz, a design more than 40 years old, but very reliable. New designs are already being planned and built, and it is one of these larger rockets that will deliver Homo sapiens to the planet Mars within the next 20 years, and the first human will step onto a new world. She will be joined by many more, and then our journeys to other worlds will begin.